Hey, Maris here, founder of Web Highlights. In this video, I want to show you one of our most loved features, YouTube highlighting. YouTube highlighting is perfect for anyone watching podcasts, tech talks, or any other long-form video content on YouTube. Highlighting a YouTube video is super useful. When you watch a video, you can directly highlight the text in multiple colors. You can create notes, add text to later find your information super easily. Later on, when you revisit your highlights, you can directly dive into the YouTube video and scan your notes and highlights to understand what the video was about without rewatching the whole thing. Additionally, you can easily create an AI summary to get a brief overview of everything you've watched. So to highlight a YouTube video, simply you can click this icon here in the extension toolbar, which already shows an indicator that this is a YouTube video. But we can also click this new control, which is added by our extension. And if you click it, it opens up a small loader. This can take a while if you open it for the first time or if it's a very long video. So what's happening in the background is that our tool fetches the transcript of the video and then opens it up in this reader, which you're seeing here right now. So this is our reader. And you can already see that the whole transcript of the whole video is visible here and loaded. So we can scroll through the whole text of this TED Talk. And this works, as I said already, for podcast or any other video. And yeah, we can now go ahead and go through the transcript, make highlights as we are used to. It is exactly how it works on any other website. We can choose from different colors. We can add notes to our highlights. Let's add some note. And of course, this also opens up in the sidebar here on the left. And if we click on highlights here, we can also focus them in the transcript. Of course, we can also add notes, say TED Talk, not notes, tags, of course. You can add this tag here. And the cool thing is now that we can also play the video, of course. Let's mute this for a second. And when we forward a bit, you can see that the transcript goes or highlights the current part of the video. And another great feature is that we can focus or enable auto scroll, which will always keep the current part of the video in the view. So if we scroll, it always focuses on the currently played. And we can also do it, we pin the video, that will always keep the video in the frame. And of course, when we fast forward in the video, it also highlights the part which is currently set in the transcript. Of course, similar to how our reader works on different websites, we can also change between different color modes. Between dark sepia contrast is a very high contrast dark mode. Let's switch to the dark mode for now. And what we can also do is let's say we have a highlight here, we think this is interesting, we can also click here on the left on those timestamps. So let's jump to minute 3:31, and if we click on it, you can see that the video is played exactly here, and it also highlights what's being said right now, and that makes it very easy to jump to specific highlights we've made. Or if we want to search for specific things in the transcript, we can always directly jump to this position. Another super cool feature is our AI summary. Our AI summary lets you generate a quick summary of the YouTube video. Simply click here on AI summary, and the AI in the background is working on some key points, summarizing this TED Talk here in a few key points. There are more options for different types of summaries, and you can also make a medium or long summary, but more on this in our AI summary tutorial. There is also our free tool, which works without the extension installed, you can simply enter any YouTube video link. Maybe we can do this now. Let's copy our link here. We can enter the URL of the link, search for the video, and then click highlight video. This is our free tool, which you can try directly without even installing our extension. But of course, I highly recommend adding our extension to Chrome, Edge, or Firefox.